Hi guys, back in again. Just a quick video. It's a Wednesday. I ordered some little burners, stoves off AliExpress. They were supposed to have been delivered last Monday and it said delivered on it. So I reported it, said not had it delivered. They refunded me within minutes. So I got a full refund on it. But today I got 1, 2, 3 packages delivered. Now I'm hoping these are the little stoves, but I don't know, not opened them. I keep getting this over here with ordering off AliExpress. I think they use a revealer or something like that, and they're always saying they delivered stuff and they haven't, and then it turns up weeks later. So if it is them, I've had my refund. These are probably all free now. When they refunded me, I ordered the same stuff again, but that was only yesterday, so I'm sure this is the first lot I've ordered. If it is the second lot, really fast delivery. If not, I think we'll have a giveaway. It's not my fault they keep telling me they delivered something that they haven't. Right, let's have a look. First stove, can't remember what this one is. Even looks like. Oh, comes in a little bag. Nothing else in that. Let's have a look. So let's have a look at this. Oh, the bag's not all that. It's already got an hole in it. Cheap and cheerful. Just sort of get them to have a quick test on. So this, no instructions, but that is the side of it, and I think you feed your logs in there and the flames come up here once I built it all. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 15 parts to it and no instructions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it together and I'll show you once it's all together. See you in a minute. If I can suss this out. That looks like a back. Right guys, I've spent half an hour now putting this piece of junk together. I've ended up with this piece, don't know where it goes. Looked everywhere. This piece here is supposed to clip in. I can't get it in. So you feed your wood in there, I think. Light your stove. I think you've got a bit of an air vent here and there. And I think this is where you empty your ash out. What a pile of junk. Honestly. I mean, some stuff from AliExpress is okay, reasonable. This, I'll put a picture up here of it, what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be about that big. I know Chinese are quite small, but freaking hell, that's even small for an Action Man. We'll give it a bash. If I can get all the parts together, but one knock it'll fall apart. You'd never take that out to cook on. Take you half an hour, put it together, and like I say, got spare parts, don't know what it's for. Right, so that's first pile of junk. Let's hope. Don't sound much better, does it? Never learn. Right, let's have a look at this one. Okay, Packaging not good, smashed to pieces. Let's have a look what she's got in her. Okay, so we've got a bit of a Trangier type stove going on. I'm assuming, yeah. It's pot lid to pull it out. Not too bad. Bit tinny, but yeah. Legs come out. Very lightweight. Suppose you could have a twig stove going on in here, and then you have to put that in first. Sits on there like that, and with your lid you can put the whole thing out. That might work. Very crappy metal, but sits up here. Sits quite nice actually. We'll give that one a bash as well. So I'm going to try all of these out. Maybe not tonight because it's a bit windy, but 1 out of 2 ain't bad. This one I'm a bit disappointed in because I could get that last bit down there, although you'd never take it camping with you. It looks like a small twig stove might be alright. Not like it showed on the videos. Right, last one. And then we'll try them all out. Like I say, it's getting a bit late, so I might do that tomorrow night if weather's good. Nicely packaged. Feels alright. You just grab a knife. By quality. Okay. Now this is supposed to be a bit of a like a long barbecue, and then the sides fold out. I'm hoping. Oh, this was cheap as well. Again, prices will go up there. Let's put the glasses on and have a look. Have a look-see. Okay. Not the best metal in the world, but yeah, that's looking alright. You get a grill. You get an alright bag. I think they're fire gloves. They might stop you cutting your hands apart on here, but I think that's what they are. 2 skewers, don't know. Oh. Right, that's how it should go. Yeah, there's the pulled out side. Ah, I know. Right, that's out. That sits in place. Ah, now then, I know what these are for. I think you put these through here. He says. Right, so there we have it. There'll be a barbecue on there. You can lift it higher using these rods like that. Yeah, can lift that higher. And then it's on the top there. Now that, yeah, it's crappy metal, but you know, it might just work. We'll definitely give this one a go. Like I say, all of them were really cheap. That's why I bought them. Not brilliant, especially these things. I mean, they do the job, but you think you bend one of the sides over so they're not sticking out as far and you've got a bit of an handle. But yeah, not bad. Oh, you can pack that away with all of that inside as well, I think. Right, let's take these rods out. Flat pack, definitely use the flat pack. Your gloves. Put it in the pack. The bag. Take it with you. It's not bad. Don't know how much it'll warp once we try it. And like I say, if it does warp and everything, you might as well just take a throwaway barbecue. Again, I'll put the prices up for these. Right, we're going to try that one out last, because we'll have to do that outside. This one, I'm just quickly going to try and finish this little bit here. I don't think we can... I mean, we could do it in here on this table, because there is a bit of a gap from here to here and the flames will be here, so it should be alright. Maybe not inside the first time. Right, I'm going to carry on, put that totally together if I can. But what I might do is get out some of my meths and I'll get a brew on while I'm sussing this out, because that's well off the ground. Got a fire extinguisher anyway in here. Open the door a bit. Some meths. Let's not top her up all the way, just in case. Down there. Open the legs back up. Seal this and get it away. And then have this on standby just in case. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. I'll carry on, try to put this together. Well, as you can see, that's burning very nicely. Let's boil some water on. Should be plenty for a coffee. This, I think, was the cheapest. And to be honest, I think it's the most practical. Get some water on. See how long that takes. It's now 21:07. Starting to get dark already. Night's drawing back in, lads and lasses. Let's have a cup of black coffee. Right, so the other two are going to have to wait till tomorrow evening, really, because it's a bit windy outside. The barbecue-ish type stove, yeah, that'll get blown everywhere. This like rocket stove for action men, yeah, I wouldn't want to trust that out there tonight. Right, right guys, we're at a rolling boil. 13 minutes, not bad. Definite boil there. Oops, shit. Scared the hell out of me, that one. More than enough water. Right, let's try putting her out. She's out. Now that's not bad. Leave that to brew a bit, and I'm still struggling getting this apart and back together. So give us a couple of minutes, bring you back, might take a while. Right guys, I've had my brew, still can't get this together. I've even tried filing these little bits down, not very good file. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, this is the last bit, and it'd be quite a solid little bit of kit. You wouldn't want to take it apart again. You might, I don't even know if you could get away with putting it in the bag. It won't fit back in this. And I definitely wouldn't want to take it apart and take it out for a quick camp. I know you get quicker with time, but it's ridiculous. So if you see this on AliExpress, or if they got it over in England on Amazon or anything, just be aware it is a pile of junk. There, to empty your ashes out. It should work. I just need this last bit in there. So I'm going to file these nodules off tomorrow. Click that in, then we'll give her a go. I'll see you tomorrow when I've got that on the go. And then once I've done that, we'll cook her. We'll try to cook a steak on that tomorrow night. And then this, if it works, a couple of you, maybe 3, should get a little barbecue going on that. We'll see how that fares as well. Like I say, steak on that, and then maybe a little barbecue on that one.